How do you get replacement cost instead of ACV? Have you ever wondered how to ensure you get the full value for your car after an accident? Understanding the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost can make a big difference. Actual cash value, or ACV, is the amount your car is worth after depreciation. This means it takes into account factors like age and wear. On the other hand, replacement cost covers the full cost to replace your car with a new one of similar make and model, without considering depreciation. So, how can you get replacement cost coverage instead of ACV? First, look for a new car replacement policy. Some insurance companies offer this as an optional add-on. This policy pays to replace your totaled vehicle with a brand new one, typically for cars that are 1 to 2 years old. Next, when shopping for insurance, ask your insurer if they offer replacement cost coverage. This type of coverage may come at a higher premium, but it provides better protection by covering the full replacement cost. Another option to consider is guaranteed asset protection insurance, often called gap insurance. While it is not the same as replacement cost coverage, it helps cover the difference between your car's ACV and what you owe on a loan or lease. This is especially helpful if your loan balance is higher than the ACV payout. Gap insurance is commonly recommended for new car buyers who finance or lease their vehicles. It is also important to review your policy details. Replacement cost coverage is not standard in most auto insurance policies. You must explicitly select or add it. When you are shopping for insurance or renewing your policy, inquire about replacement cost options and compare premiums and coverage limits. Lastly, be aware of any limitations and eligibility requirements. Replacement cost coverage often has criteria, such as the vehicle's age or mileage limits. It may only be available for new or nearly new cars. After a certain period, insurers may revert to paying ACV. To sum it up, to get replacement cost instead of ACV in car insurance, you need to choose specific coverage options like new car replacement policies or endorsements. You can also supplement your coverage with gap insurance to protect against loan or lease payoff gaps. Standard collision and comprehensive insurance typically pay ACV, so proactively selecting replacement cost coverage is essential for full replacement value protection. This choice usually means paying higher premiums, but it offers more comprehensive financial protection in the event of a total loss.